What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out, or rather change or clean your mass airflow sensor. This happens to be a Chevy Impala, but it's pretty much the same on most vehicles. Most vehicles have a mass airflow sensor, and if yours is bad, it may cause a hard start in the morning, especially when it's cold, or cause your car to idle either too high or too low, or just in general just run rough. So to change out your mass airflow sensor or to clean it, what you need to do right here is your mass airflow sensor. So the first thing you want to do is remove your electrical connection, which will be right here, which you just pop up that tab right here, and then it pulls out of this. And once you move that out the way, next what you'll want to do on this one, you'll see two rings right here. That's on either side of your mass airflow sensor, which you want to unloosen basically on both sides. You're going to want to unloosen this ring, and once you do this, and what I'm doing right now is taking it out so I can clean it. I'm going to show you also how to clean it. And once you unloosen this ring, you may have to pull back a little bit. See, I can get, that's one side. See, that's your mass airflow sensor. It looks pretty dirty. Okay, as you can see now, this is your mass airflow sensor right here. And if you can see on this, it has dirt and stuff on it. And then the inside is probably pretty dirty also. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is actually cleaning my mass airflow sensor by spraying a stuff called mass airflow sensor cleaner on both sides of it and let it dry for about an hour before I reconnect it back. Also, make sure you pay attention to which way your airflow goes. Like on this one, you'll see an arrow pointing this way. So it tells you when you put it back on to make sure the arrow is pointing towards, say on this car, toward the passenger side door and not the driver's side door. So I'm gonna clean it now and show you how to do it. I'm about to show you now how you would actually clean out your mass airflow sensor, because sometimes you don't need to actually replace it, it just may need to be cleaned. And to do so, what you want to use is a mass airflow sensor cleaner. You can get this at AutoZone, Walmart, pretty much any place you go to. It may cost between $5 and $10 pretty much. And what you want to do is you take the mass airflow sensor and you want to actually spray it down inside of here in your mass airflow sensor on this side and also on this side. You can see how it kind of has dirt and stuff like that on the outside of the actual screen, which will stop the airflow sensor from working correctly. So I'm about to do now is just remove the straw that comes with it, pop off the lid. You want to shake it, you want to shake your can. And once you do that, you'll see like the opening. And you want to insert your straw right inside of here. Then what you want to do is kind of take it and give it blast like that all inside of it. And kind of clean it off. You want to, after you do that side, you want to turn it over and do the other side. You can spray it solid like that also. And you can see how clean, I don't know if you can see the cleanness. First it was kind of dirty looking. Spray this side again real good. Try not to get it onto your electrical connection though, where you plug up your electrical wire. So kind of focus only on the screen. Spray it all the way around. Alright, and once you've done that, you want to let your mass airflow sensor sit for probably about an hour and air dry. You don't want to try to use a blow dryer or nothing like that on it, because it could mess it up. So just let it air dry for about an hour, reconnect it, and if it is your mass airflow sensor acting up, you should be good to go. Alright folks, thanks. Once again, this is how you would clean your mass airflow sensor. Thanks.